Alright, good morning. It is Monday morning. It's Tuesday morning. We're going home today. We rescheduled our Monday night flights to this morning. So we're leaving for the airport in about an hour and a half. But right now, I'm gonna do a quick resort walk, and I actually lost my passport. So I'm gonna be walking back over to Loews Royal Pacific to see if maybe they have it. So that's the water taxi station for Loews Royal Pacific. There's our water taxi moving right now. And then the Sapphire Falls water taxi keeps going back there. Alright, so we're going to be coming up on Royal Pacific in kind of like a weird spot. But over here to my right is the bus depot. So for us, when we went to Epic Universe, we had to pick up the bus from this bus depot. So now we're walking back from the bus depot. All of the ballrooms and conference rooms are down on this level. Yeah, they're gorgeous. So looks like they're hosting a Windmark convention here right now. I think they host weddings here. And then this walkway will take us all the way back to the lobby. But first we're gonna hang a left and go walk over by the pool. So here's our water taxi entrance right here. Or if you want to walk, you can walk the path right down to Islands of Adventure and City Walk. So we'll walk down there just a little bit just so we can see the back end of the pool. A nice little beach area right here. Looks out at that plain. And then for our pool, I'll try to get a better view of the pool. The pool's closed right now. But there are cabanas. And then the pool is in the center of all the cabanas. There is a volleyball net, lots of loungers. It's a really nice pool for families. We have our hot tub over here in the corner. And there is actually a cabana right there. It faces the pool, but it's really nice access to the hot tub. Let's see if we can go in. No, we can't. Okay. So the pool is right through there. Over here we have the splash area for kids. That's nice and cool. And then if we were to continue down this path, we would end up at City Walk. So we'd have access to the parks. So there's Dr. Doom's Fearfall. It's not that far to get to the parks. And then you'll see straight ahead there, that's the walkway that will take you to the parks. You can kind of see from here, there's some zero entry in the pool. Nice spot for kids to play. There's this whole beach area, which is really cool with all these loungers. And then this is set up just like Sapphire Falls. So you have a tower of rooms over here. You have a tower of rooms over there. And I think there's a third tower where these towers branch out like the opposite way. So let's walk back around and check out the lobby and some of the other amenities. Let's look at a map real quick. So all of the ballrooms and business center and everything is down here. And then over here, 10, that is that parking garage that you can park in if you drove here. And then our shuttle bus is right here. So this is where we started. We came in from here, from the Sapphire Falls pathway. We walked up this way. This is all ballrooms and meeting space. So this really doesn't apply to you unless you're attending an event here. And then we have Tower 1, which is where we stayed, Tower 3, and Tower 2. And so this is broken up a lot like Sapphire Falls. So the main lobby and everything is right here in this middle area. The pool is right here. Your water taxi access is down here. Your pathway to the parks is along here. But then your room will be in one of these 3 towers, and you have to make sure that you take the elevator or the stairs to the right level to be able to access all of this. And then this is the front entrance up here. Let's head inside. I'll see if I can get a shot of the pool from up above. As somebody who got married in a Florida resort, I always look at those ballrooms because I know for us, we were really worried about being rained out on our wedding day. And if we were rained out, we would have been in a ballroom like that. So I like to look at them and just see like what they look like. Are they romantic? Is it a place that I would want to have my wedding? So here's our fitness center on the right. And we are on essentially floor 1. So this is the ground floor. Treasures of Bali is a gift shop. They sell like some Universal stuff and then some other stuff too. And then over here we have our main entrance for the pool. So the pool's not open because it's frigid outside right now. But you can see tons of seating. There's a pool bar to my left. You can eat lunch out here. You can probably eat dinner out here. And then in the back is that like splash area for kids. To my right is one of the restaurants, and they have indoor and outdoor seating. Again, we're just circling around the pool. And we're gonna head up to the lobby to the Tuk Tuk Market to grab a coffee. We're gonna actually ask if they found my passport because I lost my passport. And then we'll walk around a little bit and check things out there. Okay, so this fountain area is right in the center of the lobby. So the lobby is like a big rectangle and it goes around this fountain. It is beautiful. Like, I would love to just like sit out here and drink my coffee. I don't have time this morning, but it's gorgeous. So definitely check it out if you come and stay at Royal Pacific. We're gonna walk back through the lobby, check out the Tower 1 and Tower 2 entrances, and then pop out front just to see the front entrance area. So behind me is Tower 2. So we have our main lobby entrance right there. On this side is where you pull up and like do valet and where you unload your bags. And then we have Tower 1 this way. So that's a little closer to the parks. You can actually see way off in the distance. You can see, I think it's the Incredible Hulk. And then over here we have Tower 2. And then Tower 3, like I said before, extends out towards like the ballrooms and the meeting centers. So we're gonna head back to Sapphire Falls. So we're gonna go out the way we came, walk back down around the pool, and take that walking path back. So here's our Tower 1 entrance for guest rooms. We're back on the ground floor. Tower 1 extends out that way around the pool. And we're just going to take this walkway and head back down to the lagoon water. I love that these pools have life jackets available for the little ones. It's always nice when I don't have to bring my kids' puddle jumper. I know that they'll have life jackets available. So that's a plus as a parent. Here's our entrance for Tower 3. So overall, I really like this resort. The first day we were honestly just like a little bit confused about how to get where we needed to go. But to be honest, we didn't look at a map. We just kind of assumed we would remember from the last time we were here, and we did not. So I highly recommend looking at a map before you come to the resort, watching a video like this, just so you can kind of get the lay of the land. Okay, so over there is our bus stop. Like I said, you really only need the bus stop to go to Epic Universe or Volcano Bay. Otherwise, you're going to take these water taxis over to Islands of Adventure and Universal Orlando. And then this is how close we are to Sapphire Falls. So the resort that we moved to is right there. So what we did is we stayed at Royal Pacific for a few nights so that we could take advantage of the express passes that they offer. And then we did a transfer over to Sapphire Falls when we ended up having to extend our trip. So that's an option. Like, we just took our bags, we took this walkway, we got a little lost, but we took this walkway We walked over there and checked it in the morning, and we were gonna leave our bags with the bellhop, but our room was ready at like 10 a.m. So we were able to leave our bags there and then go back into the park. And because we had checked out of Royal Pacific that morning, yesterday morning, we still had a full day of Express Pass. So that's an option too. You can do a split stay if you want to save some money. It's a little bit complicated, but it really honestly was not a big deal. And we are already back at Sapphire Falls.